Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Cece Maulana. I am from 1LB Electrical Engineering. I will membuat number 5. So I will present or describe a tool or a component of electrical equipment, namely a multitester. A multitester is a measuring instrument, a tool that is assured to measure electrical current. Will beside on the type, the multitester is divided in two, namely analog and digital multitester. As for how to use the tool follows. How to measure DC volts using a multimeter. Set the position of the selector switch to the second DC volt position. Select according to the estimate volt to be measured. If you want to measure the 6 volt, turn the selector switch to 20 volt, especially for analog. If you don't, I know the measured volt is recommended to cause a higher curl to avoid a current multivision of the multimeter. Connect into the terminal. The volt will be measured by the red stroke on the positive terminal and black on the negative terminal. Be careful not to turn it upside down. Then how to measure as volt using a multimeter. That first, set the position of the switch or selector towards AC volt. Second, select the scale according to the assessment volt to be measured. If you want to measure a volt of 2020 volts, turn the select switch towards 2000 volt. If you do not, I know the high volt being measured is a disable to cause the highest volt for about the max to the multimeter. A connect to terminal volt to be sure for AC volt. No negative and positive plot if. The 3-way to merge electric current or ampere using a multimeter. Set the selector switch to DC ampere according to the estimate to the measured. If the current to be measured is 2010, turn the selector switch. Measure a current occur the selected slick 10 the push in the multimeter. Will disconnect, we must reply if before we can ask it again. Disconnect one power line or power supply connected to the load, then connect the multimeter product to the line terminal. That we will disconnect the red stroke to output positive volt and the black will to the negative voltage input or the circuit the will mesh for more.